train them is my cause. Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all. It's you and me. I know it's my destiny. Pokemon, oh, you're my best friend. In a world we must defend. You teach me and I'll teach you. Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all. Gotta catch 'em all. Pokemon.
Welcome to the Wolf News. My name's Grace.
And I'm Brienne. Now into sports with Ryan.
Yesterday, freshman basketball played home against Stockbridge, and girls JV and varsity played home against PW. Today, wrestling has a meet against Fulton during the assembly, and freshman JV and varsity basketball play at PW. Good luck. Now into weather with Weathers.
Hi, I'm Alexa, and this is Weather with Weathers.
Hi, I'm Alexa, and today's weather is cloudy with a high of 29 and a low of 15. Tomorrow's weather is partly cloudy with a high of 29 and a low of 19. Thank you, and back to our hosts.
Thank you, Ryan and Alexa. Drama regionals are Saturday at Woodhaven High School.
They'll be performing both Disenchanted and Yellow Boat. Good luck. Now into a skit with Leilani.
What is your personal opinion on Venus flytraps?
Venus flytraps are pretty cool.
Wrong.
They are kind of scary.
No.
They're cool.
No.
They eat flies and
I don't think
other
so.
animals and things, and yeah.
I'm sorry. Thank you. What is your opinion on Sesame Street?
I never watched it.
No.
My
Wrong
opinion.
answer.
Okay.
Wrong answer.
Okay.
Keep going. Try again.
It's. I thought Elmo was weird and creepy.
Wrong answer. This isn't right. What's your favorite type of burger?
A hamburger.
No.
No. Okay, so I like a burger.
No.
Okay. I like meat burgers.
Elmo was amazing.
No.
Nope. Big Bird was a big bird.
Nah.
No? Okay.
No, this isn't technically correct.
That technically is correct.
Technically, no.
Technically, yes. Big
Okay,
Bird
thank
was
you.
a big.
What's your opinion on Ruth Ginsburg?
Ruth Bader Ginsburg was extremely influential.
Wrong.
Continue.
I'm done.
How do you feel about the new iPhone 11?
I haven't heard much about it, but
That's very wrong.
what? But it looks cool.
No.
What is this interview?
Riley Freeman. What's your personal opinion on Mr. John Bon Jovi?
I think he's pretty...
Wrong.
You're the one with the Bon Jovi obsession. I was gonna say he's superb.
What?
When's the last time you held a chicken?
I don't think ever.
No.
I don't think ever.
I don't think so.
I don't know. A long
Wrong answer.
time ago.
No.
I don't own chickens. I don't know anyone who lives close to me who owns chickens. I don't know.
Do you like Doritos?
Yeah, I
No.
do. No? Yeah, I like Doritos.
I don't think so.
Fine, I do not like Doritos, especially the ranch ones.
Aw, there we go. What's your favorite season?
Probably winter.
No.
Winter?
You're a
maybe?
liar.
I'd say it's winter probably. If I had to guess winter. It's my favorite season.
If I had to guess wrong.
Probably December.
Gonna beat you up.
What is your favorite type of car?
Jeep.
Wrong.
Duh.
No.
Oh yeah, it is. And not only is it a Jeep, they have these newer Jeeps. I haven't. Okay, maybe they're not newer, but they have the truck bed in the back. Make it even more super cool. Okay. Anyway, good. Thanks.
What do you think about this book? Personal opinion.
Snazzy.
No?
That's the wrong answer, Emily.
He's hot. Do I like building snowmen? Is that even a question?
Yeah.
Of course. I like building snowmen. No, I don't like building snowmen?
Yes, ma'am.
It's a confirmed yes, I do. Melanie, I'm not appreciating the sass. It's a confirmed yes.
Thanks, Leilani.
Now on to a video by Claire and Alex.
What is your favorite part and least favorite part of being producer and co-producer?
My favorite part of being the producer is seeing other people grow in their video making skills grow, knowing that I kind of taught them. I think that's really cool.
Yeah, I think my favorite part is just getting to work with everyone, because everyone is so different, and sometimes people being in this class, you wouldn't expect them to enjoy making videos or to enjoy editing, and sometimes you're really surprised by who is actually really good and who really enjoys it.
My least favorite part is when I'm sick and I have to come in and film.
Thank you, Claire and Alex. Thanks you all for tuning in.
Have a wonderful weekend.
Gotta catch 'em all. Pokemon.